As the sun painted the sky with hues of orange and pink, our family gathered eagerly around the breakfast table, fueled not only by delicious food but also by anticipation for the day ahead. With laughter echoing through the air and the scent of freshly brewed chocolate mingling with the salty breeze, we knew that our journey to Manjuyod White Sand Bar would be nothing short of extraordinary. Expressing our heartfelt gratitude to Mama Josefina for her warm hospitality during our stay, we set off on our adventure. Boarding a small boat in Suba, Cebu, excitement pulsed through our veins as we embarked on the hour-long journey to our destination. As the boat's engine roared to life, propelling us forward with each surge of power, a mix of nerves and exhilaration washed over us. The wind tousled our hair and the salty spray of the sea kissed our skin as we sped across the water, the boat bouncing over the waves with every twist and turn. Though the ride was thrilling and at times nerve-wracking, we found solace in the strength of our familial bonds and the beauty of the journey unfolding before us. Amidst the adrenaline rush of the boat ride, we couldn't help but marvel at the stunning scenery that surrounded us, the vast expanse of the ocean stretching out to meet the horizon, the distant islands cloaked in emerald green, and the promise of adventure lingering in the salty air. As the boats raced side by side, we cheered and waved, our spirits buoyed by the thrill of competition and the promise of paradise that lay just beyond the horizon. With each passing moment, the distance between the boats narrowed, the sound of their engines echoing off the surrounding cliffs as they pressed onward towards our shared destination. Finally, with a collective sigh of relief and triumph, we arrived at the pristine shores of Manjuyod White Sand Bar. Stepping onto the soft, powdery sand, we were greeted by the sight of endless stretches of pristine white sand and crystal-clear waters that sparkled like diamonds under the midday sun. Our day at the sandbar was a symphony of laughter, exploration, and simple joys.
It's a bit windy right now, so we came for that small boat from Sambuan, Cebu, and it took us an hour. It's a wild ride, but it's really cool. You should try it, but I won't recommend it. So this is a small boat. Here it took us an hour. From Cebu. Kids are having fun, the family is having fun. Guys, say hi!
There's starfish everywhere!
There's starfish everywhere!
Yeah, here.
Oh, look at that. I'll put it back in the sea.
Shark it. You didn't give me your goggles. You're not using them.
See? You should try this. It's an amazing experience. Yeah, so we're just come here, relax. Enjoy the sun, beautiful sun. See, you see families having lunch. And there's someone basically selling some coconut juice. This is pretty amazing. And over there is the island of Negros. And over the other side, it's the island of Cebu. See if you want, we're gonna cook food for you. Okay na? Oh, that's sweet. How much? Okay. Okay. Thank you. I'll ask the wife first, okay? See if you want squid, we cook it for you. If you want adobo squid, and it's about 500 pesos?
Yes, sir.
500 pesos. Thank you. Okay. Here the family is eating. Family is eating what? Oyster. Holy cow. How much is the oyster, sir?
300.
Oh, 300. It's good?
Yummy.
Oh, oyster is yummy. See here, they're locals. They're so expert.
Try one. Kain dari siya, boss. Kaya niya. Scallops siya.
Scallops. Okay. it. That was fun?
Someone hit my head.
Waters teeming with vibrant marine life, every moment was a testament to the magic of family and the beauty of nature. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting a golden glow across the sky, we gathered together once more, hearts full and spirits uplifted by the memories we had created together. With grateful hearts and a sense of profound contentment, we bid farewell to Manjuyod White Sand Bar, knowing that the bonds forged in memories made would forever remain etched in our hearts. Despite the sadness of leaving behind such a paradise, there was a sense of gratitude that enveloped us, a gratitude for the moments shared, the bonds strengthened, and the beauty of nature that surrounded us. For in the fleeting moments of our time at Manjuyod White Sand Bar, we had discovered a sense of peace and serenity that would stay with us long after our departure. As we approached the shores of Suba, Cebu, we were met with a sense of familiarity mingled with the pang of longing for the beauty we were leaving behind.
Finally, we're here!
Stepping off the boat and onto solid ground once more, we carried with us the memories of our time at Manjuyod White Sand Bar, a reminder of the transient nature of life and the importance of cherishing every moment.